Right, Vivaro B 1600 diesel filter. Right, under passenger side, diesel filter lives in this canister here. Now, got electrical plug to undo. The two pipes in and out, push tabs, and then 10mm nut, which then opens this. You can get this whole canister out. Now, first thing I want to do really is get a jug, drain out your fuel first. You haven't got to, but you're going to get spillage from the top. So you can either drain it now or drain it later, but undo your clip, push down, pull off, push tabs, pull these two pipes off. You're going to get diesel spillage, but undo 10mm and then you can get this out of the way. So we'll get the pipes off and then undo our 10 and come back. Right, so you've got your filter out, obviously drain a little bit off the bottom. So you need to undo your bolts now, T30s, undo your bolts and then pry. This will come down, this bottom ring comes down, top off, and we can look at our filter. So we get these bolts undone, come back. Once we've undone our bolts, we've pried and said that ring goes down, pry between here, the top, lid comes off, our other O-rings up here, which need to change. There's our filter. Now, this is a slightly different version. This one will have a rounded bottom to sit in here. Now this is also, you need to take this screw out because it might have one of these. That screw holds that filter in. You can pull that as much as you like, that's not going to come out until you undo that. So obviously be careful, you should have already drained it anyway. So you need to undo that, then pull your filter out. You're getting these bolts and bits and pieces with your kit anyway. And then we'll put our new filter in, square our bottom back on, and put our sealing. So we'll get this out, get the new one in. Right, so old filter out, new filter in, screwed our bottom back up. New O-ring fitted. So I was ideal to put a bit of grease around it, make sure you clean surfaces up, rag, bit of cleaner, give them a wipe. So they're nice and clean. And you can put your top back on. Obviously there's a flat spot there, which needs to line up with that flat spot. Squeeze it down, pull this up, get your new nuts and bolts, tighten it down evenly, get that done, and we get it bolted back on underneath of that. Right, so plug the plug back in, clip your connections on, make sure that the centre one is going to the front of the vehicle, to the pump. Obviously do your clamp up, your nut, priming it, get in the vehicle, or get in the van, key on, just leave it on about 15-20 seconds, ignition off, key on again. You should hear the bubbles running back to the tank. That's how you do the filter on your Vivaro B 1.6 bi turbos.